if there is networking and making adverts.
That's it.
You have to pay me for appearance.
I have to pay you?
Yeah.
You have to pay me. I gotta charge you extra. You get a celebrity here doing the job. Oh, like a Z celebrity. I ain't no A-list.
Okay, what's the name of the key? G that brings that out. Let me see. See, that's a bigger machine than you.
The machine size don't matter.
What's the height?
You're black though. You don't know anything about it. It's all about how you work the cable, huh? It's all about how you work the cable.
I even burned my drill, right?
Right there. It's almost like I know what I'm doing, actually.
Yeah.
Almost.
You have 20 years of service. Keep a small head. Mine's bigger. Very different. Are we still talking about the machine?
I don't know. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, it's been Dave, that green guy, signing out.